Yo guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing great today. I just finished taking a shower and shirt. Still wet right now. In a bit, I'm 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 heading to the masjid for Maghrib. Prepare. Don't forget, guys. Always stay closing with your worship. It's super important. Okay. Mm. Yes. Anyway, today been pretty fun for me. But you know how it is. Every single day. Yeah, every single day we can really. What we can really. I kept on. I kept we can really okay from what. Yep, a segment and more a segment. Yo, this okay. With my friend, we are projecting a segment in campus. Yo, bro.
Yo.
Yo.
I just
Oh no. This is no segment, but this game. Nah, this
Yes.
segment.
This is my segment.
This segment my
I'm
friend.
so happy because it's the segment so creepy.
Oh, creepy, but oh, okay. You don't forget, guys. I'm here.
But it's the ah
Ah, let's
the
see
margin.
in a segment, my friend. You. Hey,
Berapa menit?
right now,
Right now.
right now,
Right
I got this auto layout this and it has to be done tonight. No matter what, we could keep pushing and they motivated, right? Yeah. Okay. Do you know auto layout? This auto layout, guys. This auto layout, guys. Okay. Yeah. Alright, guys. That's it for today vlog. Check you later at the next on. Peace out.